I'll just get it started. Toby, you're the cutest little roadblock. You're crooked. There. There we go. Now my hand's stuck. Oh my gosh. Toby, you're in my way. You're in my way. Alrighty. Hey guys, Amanda here with e-bike reviews and adventures, and I forgot to turn my bike on. I guess I was just gonna go for a ride and do all the pedaling myself. Let's try to get it. Try it again. Bum ba dum bum bum. And I really like the display on this thing. All right, so I am currently riding the Andsky S-700. We had a part that we had to replace, and once we got that taken care of, now we can take it for a ride and get a little more familiar with it. I also remember reading a comment that someone made on one of our previous videos about tightening all the nuts and bolts when you first get a bike, so I did that as well, just to be safe. So let's kick this up in a little bit of a higher gear. Whoa. I'll tell you what, it feels really nice. It's very lightweight, smooth riding. Got the po-po. Should probably slow down my speed limit just a little bit. Donuts for days. Just for you, Mr. Popo. Sweet. Brakes work beautifully. I like that. Let's go over here. Anyone over there? Nope, doesn't look like it. This is probably my favorite little spot to go. Just because it's peaceful. Got a little pond over here. Okay, let's stop right here. All right, turn down my pedal assist so I don't accidentally hit the throttle and take off. Don't want that. All right. So here it is, Andsky S-700. It's pretty nice looking. Got a basket back here. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. It's a nifty little bike. I like it. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, this is the one where you can tilt the seat up and you have better access to the battery right there. That's probably one of my favorite features on this bike. I'll make sure that that's locked in tight so I don't go crashing into the pavement later. Yeah. Yeah, I like it a lot. It is a cute little bike. And it handles well too. Alrighty. Let's go, let's go, let's go! I've been itching a ride all morning. So I'm glad that we were able to get this booger up and running. Since we don't have a lot of experience riding this one, I'm gonna get a little more familiar with it. Now let's see, hold on a second. Let me try that again. So I have it in pedal assist 1. I'm pedaling kind of hard here. It doesn't feel like the motor kicked in at all. I'm just kind of riding it like a normal bike. What in the heck? Then I kick it up to pedal assist 2. And I'm pedaling. it's still not kicking in. Pedal assist 3, now the motor's kicking in. Interesting. Huh. Okay. But now, brakes work. Let me just try the throttle without any pedaling. Okay. Pedal assist 3, 15.3 miles per hour. Not bad. And it's a beautiful day today. Still a little chilly, but I've got the sunshine on my back, keeping me a little warmer. So it's making this ride a little easier on me. All right, let's go to pedal assist 4. And hop up on the sidewalk here so the mailman can get by. Yeah, that's kind of strange. Pedal assist 1 and 2 did not engage the motor when I was pedaling, but pedal assist 3, 4, and 5, as soon as I start pedaling, it engages the motor and it takes off. Might have to figure out why it's doing that. Alright, so pedal assist 4, I'm getting to about 20.5 miles per hour. Let's kick it up a notch. Seems to be doing all right. I'm gonna try this again. Pedal assist 1. Yeah, the motor is not engaging at all. That is so weird. Ugh. It's a good leg workout though. Alright guys. Just a little mini ride on the Andsky S-700. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Say bye, Toby. All right, see you guys.